the next part of the video. Welcome to Complicated.
So what's next?
More
Minions
makeup.
again.
More makeup.
More makeup Construx. Series 11.
There's no flyer?
Yeah, there's a flyer from the last pack. It's Series 11. Once again. I guess they have what? How many different ones? 10 or so.
Yeah,
1,
it's
2,
like
3,
the
4,
real
5,
coats
6, 7,
today.
8, 9, 10. Oh, we dropped one of these.
Oh, it looks like this Minions not. But they steal the gem. I remember seeing the new part in school too.
Why Minions yellow? Why didn't they make it green or red?
Because they don't like it.
How come you know that?
Maybe.
Yeah, of course, everything's
How
maybe.
what
But
is
maybe if
this?
we change it to red, I don't know.
Well, how do you put this on?
I don't know.
I
The other way around.
Is this rubber?
Yes, rubber. You know there are
How
differences.
could we put it on?
Rubber
The hands has to be there.
Rubber and plastics are different. Oh, I know. It's difficult, right?
Yes,
You need to put a hand inside.
yes, you have to.
Okay.
Oh, why is it so hard, difficult to put it on the head? No, I mean put it on the body.
I know that you need to take out the hand first, maybe. I don't know.
Why is it so hard?
Yeah, it's easy. You take out the hand and you plug it in again.
You can take out the hand?
Yeah, you can take out the hand and plug it in.
Silly me.
Yeah, you're not silly. You just don't adapt to it.
Now it's so hard. Now let me put on the eyes.
Yeah, you put it on. Be
You
careful,
lost
girl.
it. If you lost this part, you cannot put
This is the one from our previous video, Minion. And this
It's angry.
these are angry
It's
from
sad.
different series.
The
because-
Mega Blocks have more pieces.
Yeah. And after this, we got Playmobil, right?
Yes, Playmobil.
Yeah, Playmobil from Germany. Actually, we still have more
Mini germs.
Minion. I guess we left it behind in Germany last time. We didn't take all of them back.
We're so clumsy because we forgot. And then our grandma sent us back a picture that we forgot to bring the back.
Yeah, we still have a lot of toy left behind in Germany.
Okay.
Germany, I mean.
Germany, I'm gonna
Fun.
go. Oh. I did not.
He grew a
Gemstone.
yeah gemstone on it. Yeah, it's a ruby.
He stealed a gemstone. He stealed a ruby stone from the man. Here is the guy from the back. Here is the guy from the back. Here is the guy from
It's a good guy or bad guy?
back. That is a minion. That is not a guy with a gemstone on his head. I don't do this. Don't forget this. Just kidding. Let's go to the next video.